All right, guys, next up, we got break number 1 of 2022 Gold Rush Dynamite Baseball. It's a fun new break. The product just came out. You've got one high-end baseball card per box and a chance to pull some big autograph cards from Ohtani, Vlad Jr. You've got Joe DiMaggio vintage cards. So there's a ton of different things that you can find in here. So every spot in the break gives you 3 random teams. So 10 spots altogether. Danny's got 2. Marty's got 1. Julie with 1. Ricky's got 3. Chris W's got 1. And then Tim closed us out with the last 2 spots. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the 30 teams. All right, so let's mix this up 5 times. Yeah, Mark, sorry, man. We haven't done any of the eBay stuff yet. So still working through some of our eBay auction, or our website breaks. Ooh. All right, 3 teams per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times as well. All right, Mark, you got it, man. All right, here we go. Here are your teams. So, Chris, you've got the Rays, the Rangers, and the Yankees. Danny's got the Orioles, Tigers, Indians, Brewers, Astros, and Marlins. Julie's got the Mets, Braves, and Padres. Let's see. Marty's got the White Sox, the Rockies, and the Pirates. Ricky with the Angels, Twins, Giants, Cardinals, Reds, Diamondbacks, Mariners, Phillies, and Dodgers. And then Tim, you've got the A's, Red Sox, Cubs, Blue Jays, Royals, and the Nationals. All right, so there are your list of teams. First break as we work through a new 3-box case on this. My camera's like crooked. David, nothing's coming through yet, man. It still hasn't popped up. If you'll send me your email address, I can send you an invoice. We can try it that way. Dang, dude. How about this? How about a Ken Griffey Jr.? One of the iconic cards, 89 upper deck, and it is an on-card auto, Beckett authenticated. So that is going to be Seattle. Who's got Seattle? Ricky. What a hit, man. That is a really nice hit. Nice hit, man. So we'll get that card in the mail tomorrow. Nice way to start Dynamite Baseball. We got another one that's on the website now. So go check those out. Tennskinbreaks.com. Click on Random Breaks.